Bell peppers, let's cut them up. Cut up bell peppers. Hot pan, olive oil. Peppers in. Red onion. Cut it up. Let's cut it into nice diced pieces. Add with bell peppers. Mix everything. Cook it for 5 minutes. Pinch of salt. Add green olives. Chicken hearts. Let's open them up. Let's see, looks nice. Put them into the hot pan. Clove spice. Now a splash of soy sauce. Mix everything perfectly. Add a little sauce. Look at that, beautiful. Cover with lid. Lower the heat. Cook for 10 minutes. Look at that. Mix everything. Pasta. Put into boiling water and cook for 15 minutes. Look at that. Now it's time to strain it. Add butter in. Wash the pasta. Strain it and put it back into the pot mixed with butter, salt a little bit. Nice, mix everything. Service. Pasta goes first into the plate. Like so. Now the chicken hearts with the gravy and the sauce on top. Beautiful. Yes, add the gravy and the sauce. Like so. Put some greens on top. Look at that from all sides. Delicious. Let's try it. Yummy. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.